What is up, guys? Julius here, and today I'm going to go over how to also transcribe and automatically create captions in Adobe Premiere Pro 2022. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. But without further ado, let's get started. So what I have here in my workspace is just a simple audio file of me giving an example of something you might say. So let's just listen to it real quick. This is how you automatically transcribe some audio. As you can see, Adobe solves this problem super easy, and you can convert it into subtitles and captions. So the first thing you want to do to automatically transcribe the audio is change your workspace into Captions and Graphics right at the top. Now you should be in the Captions and Graphics workspace. What you want to do first is click Transcribe Sequence. Here we have a few options, such as which audio track to use and what language we're transcribing. But we're just going to stick with what is put in the preset. And now all you do is hit transcribe. And now you just gotta let Adobe work and do its magic. Give it a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the length of your audio file. And as you can see here, we have the audio file, which is in Adobe exactly transcribed. And the next step is just click Create Captions. And here we have a few more settings to choose from, a few presets which Adobe gives us. And I'm just gonna stick with this preset. But what I'm gonna change is I'm gonna change the lines from double to single because I like how that looks more. And then you just want to hit create. And boom, you got your captions. Let's just take a quick look at how the captions look. This is how you automatically transcribe some audio. As you can see, Adobe solves this problem super easy, and you can convert it into subtitles and captions. Not too bad, I have to admit, but there's a few things I want to fix, which Adobe actually kind of points out to us that we should fix. So you see all these small gaps in the timeline. I'm just gonna clip them out actually of the audio, so I get a caption at all times on my video. And like that. It's not that big a deal, but I think it just makes the video a little bit better. If there is some problems with your captions, you can just double click them and edit them. It actually managed to get everything correct, but I'm just going to change this comma to a dot instead, and then start the next sentence with a capital letter, because I think that makes more sense. But you can change whatever you want and it will still look the same. If you want to change the graphic on your captions, just to select it all and the Essential Graphics tab will come up. And just to make it really clear, I'm just going to change it to green here so you can see what I am doing, and change the font to something different. Maybe something else which makes it more obvious. Okay, that's fine. And as you can see, it will just change the transcription to whatever you set it to. So let's just take a quick look at the new example. And as you can see, it's still it will still transcribe it the same way, just with some new graphics. This is how you automatically transcribe some audio. As you can see, Adobe solves this problem super easy, and you can convert it into subtitles and captions. But that was actually all I had for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Please consider dropping a comment, letting me know what you think, and subscribe if I helped you. If you want to see more of me, check out my Instagram in the description. Tomorrow there will be a new tutorial. Bye guys.